Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. How is your new year going? We are a week into it, and it is time for me to take down these Christmas decorations. Let me know in the comment section if you've already taken down yours. Well, I really pray that your new year is going amazing and that you have created your vision board, but even with your vision board, that you have made sure that each one of the goals you have are very, very measurable, so therefore we can attain all these goals. Now, I would recommend that even with our vision boards that we break them down even more to monthly goals. So let's just go ahead and start off this video. And you're probably wondering, where did that even come from? That came from me actually taking down my Christmas decoration and thinking about the new year and what all I wanted to attain. And with thinking about those things, I wanted to make sure that I remember them throughout the entire year and that I worked on each goal each month. So I would recommend you do the same. So if you haven't, make a monthly goal, make a monthly vision board to help you attain the goals that you want to make for this year. So let's get right into today's video and let's undecorate. So y'all, you see this stain on my couch? My nephew was here this weekend and he weighed something on the couch. So I tried to use some, what was it? Maybe, I don't know if it's carpet cleaner, but see how I made it like this? So I'm getting ready to take all these off and I'm just going to throw them in the washing machine. And then that's when somebody weighs something and then they didn't get it up. Bruh, I'm telling you so. I need to get some carpet cleaner to get that up. I mean, why didn't they tell me they wasted something on my carpet? I could have got it up, but let me do that right quick. Y'all, look what I did. Whoops. I opened the wrong side and all the dirt just fell out. Bruh, I'm so upset with myself right now. So upset. If you get this, do not push this button right here, pull this down, because it would definitely open this and trash would go everywhere. Bruh. That's our regular schedule programming. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I still have one more tree to take down, but your girl is tired. So maybe there might be a part 2 to this take down Christmas decorations. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and wash my covers. I just realized I forgot the chair cover. Yes, we're gonna have to definitely grab that chair cover, wash those so it can be nice and clean and back on the couches. But if you like this video, do what the YouTubers always tell you: like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, yes, I'm out of breath because who would have thought taking off couch covers will be so much work? Like, I'm kind of dreading putting the mugs back on there, but your girl is tired. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you later.